Let's take a look at the KH-P6 tissue water bath and slide dryer. From Kuohai Medical. This is the switch. Looking at the appearance. This is the baking area, and this is the slide spreading area. Normally, water needs to be added inside. This is a slide baking box. Let's take a look at the internal interface. These are our 3 working modes. The current mode is direct heating. This one is time heating. In the settings, you can set the time intervals. The unit will heat only within the selected time range. This is the heating stop mode. All 3 sections slide spreading, slide baking, and slide drying are not heated. Next, let's take a look at the lamp control function. Tap it, and the light here will turn on. Look at the set button. You can set the temperature for the 3 zones. Tap the red text and enter the desired temperature. Enter 50 degrees Celsius and tap OK. All 3 zones can be set individually. This section is for setting the time intervals for timed heating, as we just mentioned. The current setting is from 6 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. You can also set it to run heating on specific weekdays or weekends. Now, let's take a look at the check interface. Tap the check button, and this interface will appear. The left displays the set temperature, and the right displays the actual temperature. Next, let's look at these 2 function buttons. They can individually turn off or on the heating in these 2 areas.